I just got this little beginning knitting kit because I know how to knit, but I know someone who wants to learn. So I got this to see if it would be a good thing to get. It comes with 6 small skeins of yarn. This is acrylic, and it's a pretty thin gauge kind of yarn, so it's good for smaller projects. It has a set of bamboo knitting needles, which are not the super smoothest, and these aren't really super sturdy, but they'd be fine for learning and for trying it out to see if you like this craft. It also comes with round needles, which I like because some people find the straight needles easier than the round needles and vice versa. Also, these are metal and these are wood, so you can try both. So I like that about this kit. It also has these little accessories, which you may or may not need. There's some stitch holders, there's double pointed needles for cables, there's a row counter, and a little pair of scissors that you can use to cut the yarn. So you basically have everything that you need. But the best thing about this compared to other kits that I've seen is this little kit, the booklet that comes with it, has really good instructions. There's a list of abbreviations if you're following a pattern. And every instruction has the pictures, like for the different stitches, but there's also a QR code where you can go to YouTube and watch the thing actually happening. So if you're not sure how this is working, you can go to YouTube and watch the stitch being done. And then they also have patterns in the back where you can make the dishcloths. So there's a bunch of different patterns and different options, and it's very thorough. I just like the fact that there's the QR code so that you can go and see the instructions online. So I think it's a good kit for a beginner. If you like knitting and you want to invest in a higher quality, like wooden needles or that kind of thing, I prefer the round needles myself, but I know that a lot of beginners find the straight ones easier, so I'm glad that they give you both options in this.